Hello everyone. So today we're going to Orlando. We're gonna go meet up with our friends Dulcie and Joy. You guys haven't met Joy yet? You're very well acquainted with Dulcie, so this is gonna be so exciting. I can't wait. I don't really know what we're doing in downtown Disney area yet, but we're doing something there, so that'll be fun. But I'll see you guys.
I can't do for you, baby. You're the best I ever had, best I ever had, and I'm certain that there ain't nothing better.
We're at Disney!
Yes! Yes, Disney!
Okay, so we just parked and we're now at downtown Disney and we're in the parking garage and we're gonna go find our friends. I'm so excited!
Boycott Gabby. She is a horrible person.
To go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
yet, but they're gone. Lo just bought eyeliner.
So rude.
It's really dark. Will we ever find them again?
No, we won't.
Nope. That's what I say. Okay guys, so it is the end of our day and I'm so sad. But Joy has to go home now and we're gonna hang out for a little bit, go to Taco Bell, get some food. But I'm not gonna vlog that because, you know, it's the four of us. It's our reunion.
True.
So it's just gonna be the four of us.
At the family reunion.
Okay, that was
a song
weird.
that I should
Who we
Anyways, okay, I'm going.
Love you.
Stop it.
I love them so much and thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Say
Okay,
bye.
Bye.
I've been training my friends in a horrible way to do the peace sign now at all times.
I do it all the time. Anyway.
Yep. So that was my day today. It was so much fun. It was such a great reunion to be with my best friends. I missed them so much.
I was working.
Sadly, Mel's been working every single day. But I mean, we're about to flip-flop because now I'm working every single day for the next 5 days.
Why are our schedules like this?
Mel and I can never hang out, basically.
No, I guess not.
Nope. That's sad.
It's fine.
That's fine.
It's fine.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.
Support my Gabby.
Please do. Please support me.
She
I'm
tries
very
hard.
fragile right now.
Okay, goodbye.
Okay, goodbye. Do a fake clickbait title about you dying, but I can't.